Okay. Yeah, there's a flying gun. Yeah. Yep. Flying gun. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I saw. No one believes me. They said bathtubs can't fly. Obviously, it's not true. Bathtubs fly every day. Bathtubs will rule the universe. God dang it. Bathtubs can fly. Sir? Sir, why is your head so bloody? You're scary. You're not gonna talk? Sir, tase you. Die. God dang it. Stupid. Just wanted to talk to you. You hate me? Why? Wanted to talk to you. Bitch. You be my friend, zombie. You be my friend. You be my friend. Friend. You be my friend. Get away from me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. God dang it. He's all back. Mango, bruh. Go all day long. Wanna go? What you say to me? Beat you up. Roll your finger. But yeah, uppercut. See what happens? Mess me anymore. Beat you up. No, you should be bleeding now. You know what? Drive the I really didn't want to do this, bro. Bro. I didn't want to do this. Bro. I know that. I really hurt. I still don't mess with you. Hey, G-Man. Dang. Oh, God dang it, that hurt. Yeah, this was bad. You guys, how would you do this to me? I was your friend. I had too much power, sir. Sir, I'm sorry. You broke my toy. I'm not your brother. I want to kill you. Dead. Get so good. Get beat up, little boy. Oh no. You're supposed to. This plan backfired again. Oh, God dang it. Kill him. Not me. Come on. Kill him. Sir, I'm sorry that causes unbearable pain. Sir, how are you not dead yet? I think I'll kill someone a little bit quicker. Yeah. Sir, you're a pussy. Just shoot him. You shot the other one. Yes. Okay, sir. Okay, I understand completely. Go get him. Go get him.
Careful, brother.
I'm not your brother, okay? I'm your enemy. I'll die. You're getting cut up by chainsaws. Awkward.